How to enable or disable auto slow fall for Hela in Marvel Rivals. So if you're a Hela main and your settings is not like this might help you. So just go to settings and go to keyboard, and on default this is set to all heroes. So just simply click on that option and find Hela on these heroes, click on confirm, and scroll down and you will see the auto slow fall right here. So once this is activated, it will activate the slow fall after using a mobility ability. So you could turn this on to enable it. So for others, this might help, and for others, this might not. So just it's up to your preference if you will like this or not. Since the default one is turned off, and if you want to fall slowly, you'll just simply need to hold to fall slowly right here. You'd also disable this if you want, and it's basically just an ability or activation between hold to activate and press to activate. So if you turn this on once you press the fall key or space key, I think. This will activate the slow fall here on Hela. But if you want to auto slow fall after using an ability or mobility ability, you just simply need to enable auto slow fall right there. And that is basically it.